Look who's here. Young lady is back literally within, I don't know, a minute. ChipChip was first to arrive on the overnight camera, and she came back again, and again, and again. Jimmy then turned up with his limp, bless his little heart. And then Daphne arrived. And she came back again as well. Teeny then arrived, and this looks like Cookie behind him. No harm done with either of them though, and no noise neither. Teeny then went back to eating, much to Cookie's dismay. This cute little face. Daphne then came back again, and she was actually there for ages, but she was the last one to come overnight. Cookie was the first one in the evening. I was going to try and go out to him, but he'd left before I even got out there. He did sneak back in and grabbed an egg before leaving again. ChipChip was next to arrive. She basically came over to the tray, but then I think something distracted her and she didn't hang around, she ran off again. A few minutes later she was back again. I got up to go out to her, but again it's just a really strange night. It's like they're very wary, so by the time I got to the door she grabbed from the tray and ran. So here we have Cookie. He is aware I'm in the porch. I'm reluctant to open the door and scare him off for the moment. But I will try it in a second and see what he does. Well, that's a start. At least he knows I'm here. Let's see what he does. Hey baby. Hello. Yeah, he's very, very wary. Cookie is back, but there is a car coming. It's just a very, very strange night again. I've seen Jimmy run past with his tail bolt upright in the air again. No sign of JJ. Haven't seen Teeny. But we've seen obviously Cookie and ChipChip. I had to think then. My mind's gone, I tell ya. But anyway, I'm sat here. I'm going to sit out here for a little while, see who turns up next. Failing that, I shall go back indoors and see what I can capture on that bottom camera again. Hello, ChipChip has come back. Happy days. Good girl. How you doing? All right? Yeah? Hello. And there's Cookie. Hello, mate. Look at the size of him compared to her. Hello. Hey, baby. Cookie, Cookie. Come on. Do you want some chicken? Do you want some chicken, my babes? Oh, I just can't believe he's actually stayed in the garden. And he's took the egg and run. Not to worry. Good girl. Do you want some chicken, my babe? I'm going to chuck it out now, alright? Don't jump. There we go. Good girl, yes you are. Oh, is it nice to see Cookie back? Lovely. Well done. You want some chicken? You want some chicken, babe? So ChipChip has come back. Here we go then. Are you ready? There we go. Do you want that? Come on, my babes. It's so lovely seeing you and Cookie tonight. It really is. Good girl. Well, it certainly is a strange night. I'm seeing foxes, but they're just not coming anywhere near. They're running backwards and forwards, up and down, over, across. They're running every which way that they can. So I think what I'm going to do now is just go back in and see if we capture anything on that bottom camera. Hopefully somebody will turn up soon. It's Teeny. He just appeared from nowhere. You alright, mate? Well done, baby boy. Do you want some chicken? Yeah? Here we are then, ready? Alright, here we go. Teeny. There we go, babe. Good boy. Oh, he's going to eat in again. Well done, mate. Do you want another one? Here then. You ready? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so tonight we have seen Cookie and ChipChip and Teeny. I think that was it, wasn't it? We've seen Jimmy run past on the bottom camera, and that's been it. So I'm going to call it a night now, as I'm absolutely exhausted, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Anything now will be on that overnight camera. So from me, it is good night.